Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique, and today I have a delicious vegan Cajun seafood boil for you all. It's a super delicious recipe. I made it last week, and this recipe actually makes a lot. Like, this would be great for if you want a lot of leftovers or if you're having a party, because it's a large recipe, a large amount. But yeah, I made the full amount and ate all of it, I think in less than a week. And then I made it a second week. I made it this week again because I like it so much. So I really think you're gonna like this recipe. It has a bunch of different Cajun flavors, and you can use any vegetables you like. You don't have to use the exact vegetables that I use. I do have corn in this recipe. I actually don't eat corn often. I haven't had corn in years because I just don't trust it with the whole Monsanto and everything like that. Even if a corn says organic, non-GMO, verified project, all that stuff, I still am skeptical, so I don't really eat corn that often. So you can definitely skip the corn if you don't like consuming that. I had a corn recipe on my Instagram page one time, and people just felt the need to tell me, you know, corn is GMO. Like, who doesn't know that in America? But anyways, yeah, I chose to use corn this time because I was craving it. I haven't had it in years, but you don't have to use it. You can use whatever vegetables you like. It's delicious. I use wakame and kombu to give it that seafoody flavor, since of course there's no seafood in it. You can definitely use the vegan fake shrimp stuff if that's your thing. That's not really my thing. I have tried it. It's delicious, but I don't like to eat that stuff very often. But yeah, it's a super versatile recipe, just like all of my recipes. So I hope you give it a try. Let's get to it. Please like the video, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Cajun. I'll do it when we're done, so she doesn't call while I'm talking to you. Hey, it's Monique, and time for the taste test. I hope you liked this video, and I am eating this quote-unquote seafood boil the traditional way with my hands, not with like a knife or a fork or anything. If you want to be super traditional, you know, you can put out the newspaper on the table, you know, pour everything on the newspaper. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that is like the more traditional way to eat this dish, is to put everything out on newspaper and eat it that way. But you know, who has time for that? I just put it in a bowl, poured sauce over it, and my alarm went off. Okay, I'm not re-recording this, I'm tired. Anyways, yeah, eat this however you want to eat it. Use your hands, use a knife and a fork, whatever pleases you. Just make the recipe. This is so good. It makes a lot if you have a small family, or if it's just you and you don't want that much, you know, you can just have the recipe. Just cut everything in half. Use half of a cauliflower, half the amount of everything. But just make the recipe. It's delicious. I can't wait to make this again. Oh my gosh, my phone is just going crazy. Good grief. Let me hurry up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want the written recipe, check out my website, daytimevegan.com, and I will have the written recipe up in a few days. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!